What is uric acid? Uric acid is a chemical created when your body breaks down substances called purines. What are purines? Purines are chemical compounds found in certain foods and drinks. Most of the uric acid in the body dissolves in your blood and travels to the kidneys. From there, it gets removed from your body through urine. If your body produces too much uric acid, or if your body is unable to flush it fast enough, uric acid will build up in your blood. A high level of uric acid in the blood is called hyperuricemia. Too much uric acid can cause gout, which is a painful type of arthritis that affects your joints. If you have gout, you may experience painful swelling in your joints. You may also feel swelling and pain in the joints of your foot. You may also have gout attacks or flare-ups. Luckily, there are certain foods that you can eat to reduce your uric acid levels naturally. So, if you are ready, let's get into the top 7 foods to reduce uric acid. Cherries. Cherries are not only delicious, but they can also reduce uric acid levels in your body. They are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and other nutrients which are good for your health. Cherries contain anthocyanins, which are pigments that give cherries their color. Anthocyanins can help reduce inflammation and may even protect against type 2 diabetes. Cherries also contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can decrease the risk of gout attacks. A 2012 study with 633 participants found that consuming 10 cherries a day reduced the risk of gout attacks by 35%. Cherries can also reduce the amount of uric acid in your body. You can eat fresh, frozen, or dried cherries. You can also drink cherry juice or cherry juice concentrate. You should aim for 1 or 2 servings of cherries per day. Green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage, especially in Asia, for its amazing health benefits. It is widely known for its anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help in improving brain function, boosting metabolism, and reducing uric acid in your body. Green tea contains a type of polyphenol, which is a plant compound called catechin. Catechin is an antioxidant that can help prevent cell damage and inflammation. Green tea can also lower uric acid production in your body by lowering your blood sugar levels. Another benefit of green tea is that it may help you live longer. A 2021 study found that people who drink 7 cups of green tea daily decreased the risk of death from all causes by 62%. You can drink green tea hot or cold, and you should aim to drink at least 1 cup a day. If possible, you can try to drink 2 to 3 cups per day. However, you should avoid drinking it late at night or on an empty stomach. This is because it may cause insomnia or stomach upset. Nuts. Nuts contain protein, fiber, and antioxidants, which are good for your health. Nuts also contain unsaturated fats, which are good for your health. It can help to lower your cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which can worsen gout symptoms. Unsaturated fats can also reduce inflammation and oxidative stress that can cause gout attacks. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, cashews, and macadamia nuts, have low concentrations of purine, which can help reduce the risk of gout. However, some nuts have more purines than others. Nuts such as peanuts contain high levels of purine, and you should avoid them. It is recommended to eat around 1 ounce or 28 grams of nuts per day. Broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable that has many nutrients, which can help lower uric acid levels in your body. Broccoli also has low levels of purine. It also has vitamin C, which can help your kidneys get rid of uric acid faster. Broccoli also has antioxidants, which can protect your cells and fight off inflammation. You can eat broccoli raw or cooked, but it is recommended to eat raw. This is because cooking will cause the nutrients in the broccoli to depreciate. For example, raw broccoli contains more vitamin C compared to cooked broccoli because vitamin C is heat sensitive. Water. Drinking enough water can help your kidneys flush out excess uric acid from your blood. However, you should avoid alcohol as it can dehydrate your body and increase uric acid levels in your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day or more if you exercise or sweat a lot. If you constantly forget to drink water, keep a water bottle nearby and set an alarm every hour to drink water. Before we move on to the next point, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It contains malic acid, which can help to reduce uric acid levels in your body. It can also prevent uric acid from forming crystals in your joints. Apple cider vinegar can also kill pathogens, including some strains of bacteria. This is why vinegar is used as a natural way to preserve food. Apple cider vinegar may also lower blood sugar levels and help treat type 2 diabetes. It can help aid in weight loss, which can reduce the risk of gout attacks. A 2021 review of research found that apple cider vinegar may benefit total cholesterol levels. It may also help improve heart health. However, you must dilute the apple cider vinegar with water before drinking. This is because apple cider vinegar is very acidic, and it can cause tooth decay if you drink it undiluted. You can mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a full glass of water before drinking. You can also mix apple cider vinegar with oil and use it on your salad. Whole grains. Whole grains are grains that are not processed, which means they still have all parts of the kernel. Each part of the kernel has different nutrients which can give great benefits to your health. For example, the other layer of the kernel is called the bran. It contains phytochemicals, which are plant compounds that can protect your cells from damage and inflammation. It also contains fiber, antioxidants, and other minerals. The germ is the part of the kernel that can sprout into a new plant. It is packed with protein, vitamin E, and phytochemicals. The nutrients found in the germ can help your body repair tissues and boost your immune system. Whole grains can help you lower your uric acid levels in many ways. One of the ways is that whole grains contain antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation. It can also help you maintain a healthy weight, which can lower your uric acid production. Whole grains can also reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Whole grains contain a good amount of minerals such as zinc, iron, magnesium, and manganese. It can also reduce chronic inflammation and may even reduce your risk of cancer. You can eat whole grains such as oats, barley, quinoa, and brown rice. You can include them in your diet by replacing refined grains such as white rice with whole grains like brown rice. Those are the top 7 foods to reduce uric acid levels naturally. Which of these will you be adding to your diet? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and watch our next video.